What's up, everybody? Thank you for joining us in the Furious Garage. We have yet another movie car that we want to reveal to you guys. I was going to wait until Letty's 240 SX was about finished to reveal this, but we're a little bit behind right now, and this car is actually going to be leaving the garage for a restoration. The only vehicle that you'll see leaving our garage to get I'd say a restoration, not a full restoration.
Yeah, full restoration.
But nonetheless, I don't like to have two actual restorations going at the same time. Like this one being that it's going to a specialist who has everything that we need.
In hand, like he has everything there for us.
Yeah, so it's beneficial to let this one go to that individual, which we're excited about. A little bit of background on this car. I have tried to capture this now for probably going on 5 years. It was not easy. Not an easy one. Every time I would get close to getting it, something would happen. That person was no longer employed, and so I'd have to pretty much get a new relationship started with the person who took over.
You don't know if it's going to see your melon, my melon, or anybody's melon. So
We're probably looking like we're talking in a fishbowl right now. But
fine.
anyways, we're on the way to Orlando right now. I'm paying way too much for this car. I'll be the first to admit it. But we're trying to save it. This is the closest I've ever been to making this deal happen. The guy running the museum right now has facilitated the deal between Michael Desert and myself, which from what I understand is a very hard individual to deal with. The man's got more money than what he'll ever need. He's a billionaire with a B.
You should lend some out there.
IBM missile and the poison-filled computer virus from it.
Right, exactly. Hook a brother up, help out the collection. It's for the greater good. Write it off as charity. I don't know, whatever you got to do. This will probably be the last car with the collection.
That's not true either, is it? Is it?
What we've hunted in the last 8 months versus what we found, and the restorations that we have. I mean, these cars that we have found all need attention of some which way. Whether it be complete paint jobs because they were used in Too Fast, Too Furious, or bringing them back to Fast 1, or they're missing engines, or they have bad engines. Derek and I did a test drive on Letty's 240 last Saturday. Worst test drive you could possibly do. We have an open trailer, by the way. We don't have an enclosed one. We're too broke for that. So we got an
We're definitely going to have people taking pictures.
open trailer, having people take pictures.
I would be surprised to see it on Instagram later tonight.
Yeah.
20 minutes later.
How badass is it to have your name on a building like this?
You can put your name on the building.
Yeah, I ain't got billions. This is fucking nuts.
Never said we had to spend money. You can use a couple rattle cans.
Desertland Action Museum. This building is massive.
Well, it's a mall.
I understand that, but I mean, to have a car collection big enough where it freaking fills a mall is just...
That bike over here is like a wizard motor on it. That's what you did. This is a rare.
So how many of these are actually screen views?
You know, if you scan, look at that one.
This is all James Bond memorabilia. And then fucking plane.
There's a plane in here.
Building.
More than one.
More than one. You got one up here.
Oh. Say hi, Derek.
Oh.
So we are waiting in the office right now to complete the paperwork, I'm guessing?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've had a tour of the museum, and now we're sitting in this lovely little office. Until this thing is on the trailer, then I'll actually believe it. I kind of have a weird feeling something might change. I don't know. What is your gut telling you, Derek?
I don't know, man. It is kind of weird. I will tell you that.
Yeah, there's a lot of weirdness going on, but I don't know.
Find out, right?
We'll find out soon.
What's for lunch?
Well, we gotta put a price on this one for him. That might be the next one he wants to buy for you.
Fellas, look what I found in my pocket. Look, a year's salary right here.
Yeah, certificate of authenticity. I appreciate that.
It does.
Yeah.
Now, do you want me to?
I declare bankruptcy!
All right. Yeah, deal's done. She's on the way. Man, oh man, we've got some restoration to do on this bad boy, but I am so freaking excited right now to have this thing added to the collection. I know.
That's
It looks so beautiful underneath the lights. The paint's not in bad shape. It's actually pretty amazing. I got some scratches in the front bumper. That can be touched up. This is awesome.
As airbrushed on top of a vinyl.
Yeah, that was done by Troy Lee. So like if you see replicas out there, their decals are going to be much lighter. These are actually airbrushed to give it more of a pop on film.
Maybe we just pay for this. I'm not pushing it.
No, we'll watch them push. Look at this. This car is about to see the light of day. This thing has been entombed in a museum pretty much all of its life. Oh man.
Hard to the right.
Oh my god, this is so surreal. Man, I paid way too much for this thing. You want me to turn it some more? Oh, wait. There's no steering wheel. Go ahead.
Got a wiper on.
Oh, nice. Salvage anything you can because I'm broke as shit. Derek, I just realized something, man. This body kit is actually molded in.
Skirts are besides the rear.
No, it is. It is. So this makes me change my perspective. Maybe Letty's 240 that we have, both of them were actually molded in from the get-go.
That's something we have to talk to Craig Lieberman about, or whoever built the
Yeah.
cars, because, yeah.
No shit. This thing is gonna buff out nice, I believe. We good?
Yeah, I don't want...
Chafing.
No one steals our RX-7 key. There you go, here's your overpriced tag.
Good God. The actual key. That's a wrap.
It doesn't work.
I know.
I thought it was actually gonna work.